I dreamed of mud. What does this dream mean? Explain plainly.
I'm a psychologist and I'll explain.
Mud in dreams often represents wealth. Touching mud to clean it in a dream means that there is a desire to become financially rich.
I dreamed that there was mud in the ditch in front of my house, and I had to remove it.
For example, if there was mud in the ditch in front of your house and you dreamed of removing the mud. It is based on the desire for activity, to work, which is also related to the desire for money, to earn money. Greed is classified into 7 desires. They are greed for food, money, material goods, color, knowledge, honor, and sleep.
What do you mean by the desire of the dream of clearing away mud?
The source of the dream desire to clear away the mud is the desire for money. Dreams of tilling the soil or touching the earth are dreams that indicate that you are seeking spiritual fulfillment and that you are getting fulfillment in your current life. If the mud dream you had is different from the situation described in this commentary, please feel free to ask questions in the comments section. This YouTube channel has had over 1,000 dream interpretations in the comments section. Of course, it is free. If you look at the comments section outside of this dream interpretation video, you will find more than 1,000 comments. Now, let's continue with the dream interpretation. Behind every desire, there is a reason for wanting it. It is also a dream that you have when you are making a solid commitment in real life and you feel that the harvest is near.
Surely I want money.
The desire for money is also a time when you have a heightened sense of what it means to get money. Look for opportunities around you. You may want to look for information about changing jobs to increase your salary.
I dreamed of getting dirty with mud.
If you dreamed of getting dirty with mud, perhaps you are struggling with a complex or disordered lifestyle that you are hiding deep in your mind. Mud in dreams often symbolizes negative feelings hidden deep within us or dissatisfaction with our current situation. Dreaming of being covered in mud may indicate that you are currently under a lot of stress and are tired both mentally and physically. Or perhaps you are struggling with your relationships with those around you. On the other hand, dreaming of washing away mud is a reflection of your mind trying to get out of such a negative situation and be reborn as a new you. This is most likely a reflection of your desire to do something new.
Indeed, I too think that this dream is a dream that I have when I have energy.
In this channel, we are working on an initiative where we ask viewers to write down the content of their dreams, and I will respond with my dream interpretation. Please write your dreams in the comments section. In dreams, mud can also symbolize our inner purification process. Dreaming of washing away mud reflects the desire to take the first step toward healing past traumas and emotional wounds and being reborn as a new person. If you dream of mud, take this opportunity to face yourself and listen to your heart. Then, think carefully about what is important to you and what you really want to do. The dream interpretation should give you clues to find the answers hidden deep in your own heart. On the contrary, if mud gets in the way in your dream, it often represents your negative emotions or a difficult situation in your reality. Dreaming of walking on a muddy road indicates that your luck will be sluggish and you will be in a difficult situation. Rather than forcing yourself to move forward, it is important to pause and reassess your situation. To dream of washing mud is a sign of a desire to be free from complexes and worries. If the mud in your dream falls off, you may be able to overcome it. If not, it may take a little more time. Dreaming of mud on your feet or shoes warns that you are about to engage in, or have already engaged in, immoral behavior. If you are in that situation in real life, you should stop the bad behavior now. Dreaming that your car gets stuck in mud suggests that your efforts may be undone by hindrances or obstructions. It is important to deal with the situation as soon as possible. These dreams may reflect anxieties or worries you are currently having. Use your dreams as a guide to face yourself and move toward a better future.
I dreamed that I was splashed with muddy water, and my clothes were soiled as a car drove by.
Dreaming that you were splashed with muddy water and your clothes were soiled as a car passed by on a street after rain may be a sign that you are in a bad state of mind. Or it could be a premonition, a dream in which your instincts to foresee danger show you that you are in danger. It may suggest not only that your clothes are dirty, but also that there is some kind of dirt or uneasiness lurking in your mind. You may be experiencing such a feeling as if a quagmire is spreading inside your mind. Perhaps you are anticipating that you are going to get sick. If you are tired and dream that your body is dirty with mud, it is recommended that you take a good rest and allow yourself time to recover.
I have found that dreams can be a warning about one's fatigue.
Yes. A muddy, dirty place in your dream may symbolize a hidden, unresolved problem deep inside you or a complex that you want to overcome. This dream may be urging you to confront that problem. It may be urging you to purify your mind and take a step forward with a renewed spirit, as if you were washing clean your dirty clothes. This dream may also suggest that your lifestyle is disordered and that it is adversely affecting your health. An irregular lifestyle and unhealthy eating habits can take a heavy toll on your body and mind. You may be experiencing such a feeling as if your feet are stuck in the mud and you cannot move forward. This dream may be an opportunity for you to rethink your life. Dreams are believed to be a reflection of your unconscious mind. Through mud dreams, you may become aware of your innermost feelings and issues. Listen to the messages of your dreams, face yourself, and try to lead a healthy life, both physically and mentally.
I get it. I dreamt I was covered in mud. I must be in a bad psychological state. I'll have a drink and rest.
That might be a good idea.
This YouTube channel provides dream interpretations in the comment section. There are over 1,000 comments so far, and there are hundreds of other dream interpretation videos.
Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you like it, please click the good button. Please also subscribe to our channel. Then you will also be able to learn about dreams on this channel. If you have another mysterious dream, please watch this channel. Thank you.
Psychologist explained.
Dream analysis make you happy. Why do I have strange dreams?
There is a simulation hypothesis by Michel Jabau of the University of Lyon, France. The hypothesis is that we can simulate in our dreams the coping behaviors we need to take in the future.
I understand. I think that theory may be true.